Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevrolet Equinox and I will show you how to fold down the back seats. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now this is very easy to do. Back seat will have two portions, the bigger left one and the smaller right one, and each portion of the seat will have this release on the outer edge. So all you have to do is lift this up, that will unlock the seat, and just then push it down all the way, right? And same thing on the other side. So lift this up to release it and push it all the way down. And this will get you really lots of space. When you're installing the seat back up, you just lift it and push it inside. It will lock in place. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.